In this video, we would like to share some of the recent roof repairs in Houston that Bronze Roofing has completed. If you live in the Houston area, including Galveston, Katy, or Spring, you know that a quick storm can cause damage to your roof. Bronze Roofing has completed over 50,000 roof repairs and new installs since 1989. Our professional re-roofing crews are experienced in the latest materials and are expert installers of commercial and metal roofs. Keep Bronze number handy for the next time you need a roof repair in the Houston area, or simply click the link in this video or the link in the description area below. We work with all insurance companies. Call Bronze Roofing today. Call Bronze Roofing today.